Yo, people, what's up? I'm back again with another CoDicts add-on, and this time is for the Voxel Theme by 27 Collective. This one is the Voxel Theme Create Post for Guest. Now, there's multiple features in this, so let's just crack on and go over it. But as you will see on the sales page, this will add a new elementor widget. There is no settings page for this plugin. It's just going to add a new elementor widget. So once you've gone ahead and purchased the plugin, obviously head over to your Voxel site and install it. Once you've installed it, now this could be used for multiple different things, user case scenarios. You could use it for instance, guest posts, allow guests to come and put blogs onto your website. You could use it for obviously anonymous posting. You could link this to an anonymous account and everything would be anonymous. You could also use this for, it also allows you to edit existing listings. So for instance, a business owner owns a restaurant, but he's created his listing, but now he doesn't want to waste his time editing it and updating it. So he can get a shareable link, he can give that to his staff, and the staff can edit the listing on his behalf without needing a user account for the website. So a bit like co-author, but slightly different. So those are a few scenarios, but let's just get into it. One of the ones I'm actually using it for, playing around with at the moment with the idea, is form submissions. So if we just go into the post type here, form submissions. So my idea, now obviously you can use this for many different things. This user case scenario is possibly not the best one to be showing you right now, but it's the idea that I've played with and it is working as such. So I've created a new post type called form submissions. Within that post type, I've asked for a few things like email, send to, etc. Now, right now as it stands, obviously like particular things like this I will actually hide with CSS. I'm currently getting the system to add in custom code to inject this. You can ignore all that at the moment. That's not what this video is about. We'll go into that in a different video. But as it stands right now, a guest can come along, they can enter in this form and then submit it. Now all the form submissions is going to be stored on the website, and the business owner is forced back to the website to see his form submissions. Now using another third party, you can do that to send an email obviously. You can also get to send them direct message using the Voxel direct message or anything else. So that's just one user case scenario. That's what I'm playing around with at the moment. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the create post page, because what this plugin does obviously is give you a new elementor widget, and that's where the magic happens. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. When you come to widgets, do the little open bracket and a C, and you should get most of our plugins. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. Okay, it didn't work at the time. There it is, just that open bracket. So yeah, there's 3 widgets there. Obviously, for this particular video and this particular plugin, the one you're getting is Create Post for Guest. So once you've added that to your page, you're going to notice a couple of new settings, new options for you. Obviously, first off, you want to click the post type as always. For this one, obviously, form submissions, because that's what I'm making. For the author, I've created an author called guest poster, so I know anyone that's posting through it is going to be linked to this account, and I know it's done by guest poster. You could also, like I say, anonymous or whatever you want. Now there's an option here for shareable link. What shareable link will do is once you have submitted the post, it will add a button to the end which will give you a link, a shareable link. That shareable link can then, this is more so like, that shareable link is more so like if they want to edit an existing listing. So the shareable link, for instance, as you can set it to edit only as well, will let the user, the business owner shares that link with their staff. It comes in, they can edit the stuff without signing in. That's what the shareable link is. And then we also added the option to add your own custom template at the end, because you might want to change it and say, thank you for the email, or whatever it is you're using this particular add-on for. So like I say, obviously contact forms is an idea. We've also used it on another client site to create Q&As. On the actual add listing form, we added a repeater field, and then so the first part of the repeater field was the question and then the answer below, and then we locked those fields using custom code so that the users couldn't edit the questions and they could just go in and answer it. We did that so that it was a Q&A system. So you build the Q&A, you send it to the user, they answer the questions, they click submit, and it goes onto your site. So another user case scenario. As always, like I always say, think outside the box, people. There's a million different user case scenarios for every single add-on. It just depends on what you can think up. So that's it for this one. Feel free to head over to our Voxel demo site, voxel.codicts.com, and test out our contact form. Obviously, it's not going anywhere at the moment. We're just playing around, but feel free to go and play around on that one. That's it for this one, guys. So, CoDicts, Voxel, guest, no, create post for guest. That was close. So, yeah, so it does it creates posts, and it also allows guests to edit posts as well. So almost like a co-author add-on as such, but slightly different, obviously, because the user doesn't have an account. So it's like a co-author, but guest is the co-author. So co-authoring, submission forms, no longer needing to install a third-party form plugin. You could use Voxel if you wanted to. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget CoDicts.com if you want to buy it. Don't forget to check out the CoDicts community Facebook group and become a boss. That's it. See you in the next one. Thank you.